Hi guys, you should subscribe to my mom and go follow her on Instagram and all her social media links down below because she's an amazing mom and she's a hardworking woman and she's the best mom in the world.
You're so cute. I love you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means literally the world. Every click that anybody gives me is just like, thank you so much. So this is me going into the third week of the bikini shred. This is a recap of week 2. I'm just gonna give you guys a little insight about what happened this week, and also I'm going to give you tips for how to shred belly fat, and that's what I am focusing on most of all. So to recap my week for week 2 of the bikini shred, I was able to stay on track again. So my special weapon for how I was able to stay successful last week, because I found that with my first week I did really well, and then, you know, the weekend came and I really had trouble staying on track, like I said in my last video. So my special weapon to stay on track for week 2 was meal prepping, meal planning, whatever you want to call it. I prepped my meals and I was able to stay on track solely because I prepped my meals. Also, another great key to staying on track is to plan your cheat days. Plan when you're gonna cheat and what you're gonna cheat on. And then, you know, you're not gonna go past that. You're not gonna go overboard. If you say, okay, my cheat day is gonna consist of a hamburger and french fries, and then I am gonna also have a strawberry milkshake. So, you know, you stop there, and if for some reason there's something extra around, you know that I've already mentally planned that I'm only gonna have this hamburger, these fries, and this shake, and that's it. And I feel like when you plan that and you mentally prepare for that, if you stick to that, then you will persevere. You will get through it and you will be able to get past cheat meals and know that once your body has a cheat meal, it's time to get back on your healthy eating. It's time to still achieve your goals. So week 2 was a busy week. We had my daughter's birthday, which was on last Monday, and then we actually celebrated her birthday party, and it was actually a slumber party, and we had about 6 girls. Tested my, you know, how I was able to stay on track, because there was cake, there was pizza, and there was candy and popcorn, and it was all kind of tough. You know, the truth is I do have a hard time when I'm in those situations. My mind tells me, you should enjoy this. You should be able to have this. Like, you're fine. You can have this. You can have all the candy. You can have pizza. Don't worry about it. But that's how my mentality has been for the past 2 to 3 months, and then it's gotten me in this place where I am not achieving my goals. So I kind of had to, you know, be able to persevere and not eat the candy and not eat the pizza and not eat, you know, the popcorn. And it was hard, but I did it and I was able to get through it, only because I feel like I know that I am committed to this bikini shred, and I am committed to bringing it to you guys and bringing real results to you guys. So that brings me into my next topic for this week. The ultimate goal for this week, for me, you know, I want to make little mini goals throughout this bikini shred, because the truth is, I'm not going to be at my perfect goal at the end of the 6 weeks. I just want to see improvement, and that's all I can really ask for, obviously. So I need to drink water. So my goal for week 3 is to focus solely on belly fat. Here are my 5 simple ways to shed belly fat. Number 1 is lemon water. So lemon water boosts the immune system, and lemons also contain vitamin C. So vitamin C is the most important micronutrient for our immune system. So it really helps and benefits your immune system. It also regulates blood pressure. It's great source of potassium. And one of my favorites is it aids in digestion. It flushes out toxins from your body, cleanses the liver, and keeps things moving for your digestive tract. Also, it's good for your skin. It's supposedly decreases blemishes and wrinkles, and your skin will look rejuvenated and clean and healthy and shiny. And I mean, lemon water is amazing. It also fights infections. So this is my favorite thing about lemon water, is it helps lose weight. Consuming lemon water will make you feel full longer, so you can avoid those sugar cravings, especially in the morning. So really, it's amazing to consume lemon water in the morning, and it also reduces inflammation. So try to drink lemon water every day, but it's going to help you shed tummy fat. Number 2 tip for shedding tummy fat is getting enough sleep. I know that sounds crazy, but if you don't get enough sleep, it actually puts stress on your body, and stress causes your fat to store in your stomach. You don't get enough sleep at night, or you're stressed out during the day, and I know it's hard not to be stressed about things that we deal with in life. I, for one, know a lot about stress. I deal with stress obviously on a daily basis, just like everybody does. But you kind of have to set up your mind to try to think a little bit more positively, try to have your goals pictured inside your head, and be able to transfer them onto your daily life. So I truly think that this is the number 2 tip for losing belly fat, is getting enough sleep and not being stressed out. Try to get some sleep, try to stay positive, try to reduce stress. And number 3 tip for losing tummy fat, eat a high protein breakfast. Try to eat breakfast every single day. Try to eat as soon as you can when you wake up. That will start to speed up your metabolism. Eat high protein in the morning. So if you're eating a lot of protein in the morning, that's really good for burning belly fat. So what I do is my last video showed this, I eat a bowl of oatmeal, and then I also have eggs or egg whites, and then some fruit. I think that even more protein is better for shedding belly fat. So I have made a recipe that I have in this video for you, and it's going to give you lots of protein. And that's what you need in the morning with breakfast, is lots of protein to shed belly fat. Number 4, eat lots of fiber. Fiber keeps the digestive system moving as well, as just like the lemon water. So fiber, and eating soluble fiber, is really, really good for you. It's going to help you burn fat. So foods that have soluble fiber in it are oat bran, barley, nuts, seeds, beans, lentils, peas, and some fruits and vegetables. Oats are really good soluble fiber. You'll see right on the front of 1 minute oatmeal or Quaker Oats that it has soluble fiber, and it's really good for your heart. It's heart healthy. So oatmeal is a great thing to eat in the morning. Try it. I love oatmeal. Soluble fiber is just good for you. It moves things along. It's great for your digestive system, and it's going to help you burn and lose belly fat. So number 5, and almost the most important thing for losing tummy fat, is to cut sugar out. Cut as much sugar as you can out of your diet. And when I say diet, I don't mean like you're on a diet, but I mean like what you consume in a day. The food you consume makes up your diet. So make sure that sugar is cut out of your diet as much as possible. And that's what I am focusing on this week. Those are the 5 things that I'm focusing on. They're tips that I know work. They're things that are studies that are proven to work. So I am going to show you at the end of the 6 weeks, hopefully, that I've shed some tummy fat. Now, even if you don't incorporate exercises with, just eating healthy, you're gonna lose weight. But I'm doing it with exercising on top of it. So I hope that by the end of the 6 weeks, I will be on my way to my goals. I could have made this cut a 12-week cut, but I didn't, because I want to see how far I can get within 6 weeks. So I am going to start the video now. I've got some recipes, I've got some clips from this past week. Also, I'm going to weigh myself and do my bikini update. See you guys later. Okay guys, so these are my egg cups. This is my egg cup recipe. I just filmed the ingredients that I'm using. If anybody's interested in the actual measurements for all these ingredients, you can just look in the comments or in the description box below, and it will tell you exactly what you need to make this recipe. So here I'm just cracking my eggs. You use 6 eggs to begin with, and so there's all my 6 eggs. Now I'm just going to whisk these until they're all the way mixed together. I was going to say until they're all the way whisked. Until they're all mixed together like scrambled eggs, like you're making scrambled eggs. I'm just going to add my pepper here and salt. And now I'm adding my milk, which is 1/3 cup. I'm adding my veggies of my choice. This is just green pepper and green onion. And then this is the second veggies is just spinach. And this was actually frozen spinach that I just chopped up. I believe next is going to be bacon. I did fry the bacon before and chop it all up, so this is what makes these egg cups so yummy, is the bacon that goes in there. Obviously, bacon makes everything amazing. And then I added some cheese there, which I think it was just Colby Jack shredded cheese. I would have used reduced fat, but I did not have any at the time, so I just used regular. So this is supposed to make 12 cups, but I did like 12 egg cups, but I came up a little short, so that's why I did buy these egg whites, is because I've made these before and I've come up short. You could just add another egg, possibly, but I just filled it up with egg whites just to get more protein. So you bake those at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes, and then let them cool. And that's it. So I have let these cool now, so they've kind of gone down. I love how big and fluffy they look at first. So what I'm gonna do is actually divide these by 3. I've already eaten 1. That's how good these are. I'm not even like exaggerating. I'm gonna show you the nutritional facts for these on my phone. So I uploaded this into my own little recipe here on MyFitnessPal. This is such a good little key. This is a good tool to use. I named these 2018 egg cups because I have so many recipes on here, and that I just have some from like 5 years old. So okay, so it makes 12. The calories in each are 65, fat 3.9, and then it goes on to tell you even more. The carbs are 1.4, and that's really awesome for somebody who's really like kind of needing to monitor and watch their carbs. And then let's see, the protein is 5.6. So if I put these in bags for 3 of them and have them on the way to the gym, or it's good for a post-workout or pre-workout. So now I just divided these. So look how easy these are to just really stick in the refrigerator and grab it on your way to go to the gym, or after the gym, or for a lunch, or you know, in the morning as your breakfast on the way to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so now it's zeroed out. Moment of truth. 130.2. so this is the last recipe that I am going to add onto this video. These are the Kodiak cakes. They're protein pancakes. They are sold at Target, but there was a time where you could only order them on Amazon. These are the best protein pancakes I've ever had, for sure, by far. They're amazing. So here I am just adding the appropriate measurements, and then there is an option to just add water, or if you want to bump up the protein, you can add milk in place of the water, and then also add an egg, which I'm doing now there. So now I'm just going to mix up the mixture and whisk it all together. And then I'm going to use my Pam coconut cooking oil spray and just coat my pan here, and I'm just going to put the pancake on as is, like normal pancakes. These are just, they're buttermilk. They have tons of protein. I did show earlier in the clip how much protein is actually in this pancake, but it's like a pretty good amount of protein. So they're awesome. They're really awesome. If you have not tried them, you really should. I am a pancake freak, so when I found out that Kodiak Cakes had came out with protein pancakes, I was like all in full force. I love pancakes. So these are something that I alternate with my oatmeal every morning. Then I just add some fruit here. Like I have some strawberries and blueberries. And then also I just cut those up. I don't want to get ahead of myself. And then I'm adding them to my plate. And then I also add peanut butter or almond butter to my pancake, and then some sugar-free syrup. So thank you for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe, guys.